It's really easy to create a word bar from a workspace. To create a word bar, right-click anywhere on the background of the workspace and click Create Word Bar. Here, you can choose which workspace tabs your word bar will use, either all of the tabs or just this one. You can elect to split longer text into individual words and even filter out words if you want to. And you can also decide if you want your word bar arranged with the same tabs as your workspace or alphabetically using A to Z tabs. You can also create a certain number of columns should you wish to have that set up. Then click OK, and your word bar is instantly created. From here, you can left-click any word to send it from the word bar into the document. And you can also right-click on a word to hear it read aloud.
Poor leadership. Economic. Unbalanced.
You can elect to drag words from the word bar into the document as well. So if I wanted to drag, you could do this. You can return to your workspace by clicking the Workspace tab on the bottom of the screen, allowing you to shift from this view back into your word bar and Word document. And you can save your word bar and Workspace separately by going to Smart tab and saving the word bar, and then also going into the Workspace, Smart tab, and saving the Workspace as.